Hello and welcome to AMG Motors, established in 1959 here at the same address in Plumstead, London. Here we have for sale a Mercedes B-Class. This is the 200 petrol automatic, so it's the best engine. It's only had one owner from new with full Mercedes service history. This is the AMG line Premium Plus 2, so this is the top spec. Finishing a nice metallic black. This one comes with front parking sensors and side sensors, as it has park assist. Diamond cut alloy wheels. Has a keyless entry, exit and keyless start system. Finishing a nice suede and leather seating with red stitching. Has leg extenders there for long journeys. Has the interior lighting that lights up as well. This one has memory seats in the front, heated seats as well. So heated memory seats on both the front. Also full panoramic opening roof. Has courtesy glass, so the rear glass are more heavily tinted than the front. Sun protection glazing, I think Mercedes call that one. Has the cargo net in here. You can blow the air conditioning into the rear via these vents. Has a USB-C outlet there. Comes with a centre divider with cup holders built in as well. You can drop these seats down as well, so if you want a real large space in the boot you can do so. B-Class is popular because it's a little bit taller than most cars, so you have a little bit better view when driving, and the seating position is that little bit higher. Generous size boot, as I say, you can drop these seats down individually as well. Have a little bit more storage underneath here. There's a base box there built in to this top of the range model. Inside, it's not been smoked in, no pets, it's in good condition. There's your roof. Comes with 4 electric windows and power folded heated mirrors. As I say, this one has memory seats on both driver and passenger, heated memory seats. Auto lights, auto wipers. So it's a push button start system when you get in. Push the word start. The roof you can tilt or slide. Goes all the way back. You can also, when you close this, you can close the blinds as well. So if there's too much sun coming in, you can close off the blinds. There you go. But this is sun protected, so you probably don't need to, but just in case, you've got these blinds as well. All the book packs are present. Has dual climate air conditioning, so you can have the temperature left to right different to each other if you wanted to do so. This one has the iDrive dash, so it runs all the way across, really neat on these. So you've got navigation, it's all touch screen. Got built-in navigation, but this one also has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So if you wanted to mirror your Google Maps or your Waze straight to that screen, you could do so via your smartphone. You can also cleverly mirror the navigation into the centre there as well, which is neat. There's plenty of options here you can change around as well, so you can press the home button and you can scroll into which you want to do. You can change the actual dial style as well, so you go on here and then click OK, and then you can change this to sports, so it changes the dials to how you prefer really. Also comes with a parking camera, so when you select reverse it engages the camera, and so it's got sensors all around because this one has a self park system. So there's that one there. SOS emergency calling, hope you don't need that, but it's there just in case. You press that and press that button. Obviously it has Bluetooth, phone, music connectivity, has a voice command system, has cruise control with speed limitation as well. Behind the steering wheel you have a plus and a minus if you want to put it into Tiptronic mode, but most people just leave it in auto and drive. As I say, this one's only had one owner from new with full Mercedes service history. This is the petrol automatic. Comes with a parts and labour guarantee, but if there's any questions or anything you'd like to know, please don't hesitate to either email or call. Thank you.